I've talked about many AI cryptos in the past, but one thing I haven't discussed is the landscape of AI stocks. If you want to invest in AI right now, the most direct way is to get exposure through the stock market, as there are real businesses underpinning the growth of the AI sector. So in today's video, I'm going to run you through the landscape of AI stocks with a breakdown of 5 of the biggest AI equities on the US stock market. Before we dive in, remember that this video is not financial advice and is solely created for entertainment purposes. So why the hype now? Well, clearly, with the launch of retail products such as ChatGPT and Google's Bard, people are realizing the power of AI technology. But the corresponding performance of AI-related businesses has also caught investors' attention. In 2023, Nvidia witnessed an unprecedented surge in its stock price, propelled by burgeoning demand for AI technology and investor exposure. As a leading provider of cutting-edge AI chips, Nvidia's stock soared to remarkable heights, captivating investors with its extraordinary performance. The surge in Nvidia's stock price was propelled by escalating global demand for AI tech, as well as their chips, which are integral to AI-driven applications in sectors such as healthcare, finance, and of course, manufacturing. And beyond that, many investors simply just want exposure to the AI narrative. It's a hot topic, and there aren't many places to invest. But most of you already know about Nvidia. So what are the other major players in the AI space? Well, today we're going to explore 5 US listed companies that are at the forefront of AI innovation and are developing cutting edge products and solutions. From AI chips to software platforms, we'll dive into their strategies, explore their market performance, and shed light on how they could contribute to an evolving AI landscape. The last 2 companies on my list you may not have heard of, but must be on your radar if you are an AI enthusiast. I'm your host, Miles Deutscher, and without further ado, let's get into the list. Number 5, Alphabet or Google. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, doesn't need much of an introduction. You probably know them for being the biggest search engine in the world, owning YouTube, Gmail, and a plethora of other online services. But lately, they've been getting increasingly active in the AI space, getting in talks with European regulators to create voluntary AI guardrails. At the recent Google Marketing Live event, the company unveiled its advertising strategy, addressing the rise of OpenAI's ChatGPT. These initiatives, coupled with its strong presence in the AI industry, make Alphabet an intriguing option for investors seeking exposure to the AI sector. But Google's foray into the AI space isn't new. It ventured further into the sector all the way back in 2014 when it acquired DeepMind, a British artificial intelligence company. DeepMind has developed a number of AI technologies, including AlphaGo, which famously defeated a professional human Go player in 2016. And more recently, the launch of Google's Bard, a ChatGPT competitor, has highlighted the viability of retail-focused AI products to replace traditional search engine models. Google is well positioned to benefit from the AI boom given its strong track record of innovation in AI and the large amount of data it has at its disposal to train AI models. Google's size gives it more bandwidth to invest in AI research and development. 4. Microsoft. In a way, Microsoft was the catalyst behind the recent AI craze, being the biggest investor in OpenAI, the developer of ChatGPT. Recently, it has been forging closer ties with Nvidia, the reigning king of AI chips. These 2 industry giants are even collaborating on the development of a new AI supercomputer. Additionally, Microsoft recently signed an AI development deal with AMD, signaling a potential shift in the landscape of AI chip supplying. As Microsoft continues to expand its AI division, it could potentially become a big player in this sector. But like Google, this isn't a new endeavor. Microsoft entered into the AI sector in 2014 with the acquisition of the artificial intelligence company Nuance Communications. Since then, the company has made a number of investments into AI, including the creation of the Microsoft AI Research Lab and the launch of the Azure AI platform. Alongside its partnership with Nvidia, Microsoft is also joining the race to develop its own AI chips. The company has been working on a project called ATHENA since 2019, which is currently being tested by a small group of employees. It's unclear when Microsoft plans to bring the chip to market, but it could be a significant development in the AI space if executed correctly. The development of custom AI chips is a growing trend in the tech industry. Other companies such as Google and Amazon are also developing their own AI chips. This trend is being driven by the increasing demand for AI-powered applications and services. Although it may be too early to say how significant Athena will be for Microsoft specifically, it's certainly a sign of their ambition in the AI space. Now let's discuss the third major player in the AI space before we get into two companies which you probably haven't heard of yet. And just quickly, before we get into that, I'd like to give a shout out to our show partner, PrimeXBT. If you want to trade crypto, commodities, or Forex, we have a huge 20% sign up bonus live for a limited amount of time for new users. If you deposit $1,000, you get a $200 bonus, $10,000 for a $2,000 bonus, and $30,000 for a huge $6,000 bonus. The UI is sleek, fees are low, and for those looking for a new trading home, this could be a good option. But the offer will only be available for a certain amount of time, so make sure if you want to qualify to use the link in the description and the code MILES20 when you sign up for a new Prime XBT account to claim your 20% sign up bonus. Now let's get on with the list. 3 meta platforms, otherwise known as Facebook. Zuckerberg isn't shy of pushing the boundaries, as we've seen him foray into the metaverse a couple of years ago when Facebook pivoted its branding from Facebook to meta platforms. I believe there are synergies between the metaverse and AI, but in reality, meta platforms wants to be bigger than just a social media giant. And as a result, they've been heavily investing in AI initiatives, with a team of over 1,000 researchers and engineers working on a variety of AI projects, including NLP models that can understand and generate language for chatbots, computer vision models that can understand and identify objects in images and videos. These models are used in a variety of products, including Facebook's photo tagging feature and its AR, augmented reality platform. 3 reinforcement learning algorithms that can teach machines to learn from their own experiences. These algorithms are used in a variety of products, including Facebook's virtual assistant and its self-driving car project. And Meta AI has made significant progress in all of these areas. Already by 2020, the lab's NLP model, GPT-3, was able to generate human quality text, and its computer vision model, Detectron-2, was able to identify objects and images with over 90% accuracy. Now, of course, there are other big companies like Apple and Amazon, which are all embracing and working on AI products, but we've already heard about all of those big businesses. So I want to talk about 2 lesser known companies plus a bonus one at the end. So number 2 is Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD. Now AMD is a global semiconductor company that designs and develops computer processors and related technologies for businesses and consumer markets. The company was founded in 1969 and is headquartered in Santa Clara, California. AMD's main products include microprocessors, motherboard chipsets, embedded processors, graphics processors, and FPGAs for servers, workstations, personal computers, and embedded system applications. AMD has been a major competitor to Intel in the microprocessing market since the early 2000s. The company has had a number of successful product lines, including Athlon, Opteron, and the Ryzen processors. AMD has also been a leader in the graphics GPU market with its Radeon graphics cards. But how does this relate to AI? Well, AMD is becoming one of the closest competitors to Nvidia in the AI hardware market. This is due to AMD's recent gains in the hyperscale market, which is a key area for AI adoption. AMD has won several major contracts with large cloud computing providers such as AWS, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft's Azure. These contracts are a major win for AMD as they provide the company with a significant foothold in the growing AI market. As a result, AMD's stock price has been on a rally in recent months, with gains of more than 50% in the past year alone. This is definitely one to watch in this space. Now, onto the final company of this list. But just before I get into it, I have a huge offer for those that like to trade crypto specifically. Our show partner, OKX, are offering a huge $30,000 sign-up bonus for new signups. Simply register for an OKX account using the link in the description, and you'll get a mystery box valued at up to $10,000 just for signing up. Secondly, if you go a step further, by making a deposit of $50 or more, you'll get an additional mystery box of up to $10,000. And if that's not enough, just by trading on the platform, if you build up trading volume, you can unlock an additional $10,000 in rewards. So that's $30,000 in maximum rewards. Now, of course, your mystery box prices may vary anywhere between nothing and $10,000, but for those that like a little bit of fun, there could be a nice prize waiting inside. So there's a link in the description that you can use to qualify for the rewards program. Good luck to everyone with their mystery boxes. Okay, now it's time to talk about the final AI stock on this list, Marvell. MRVL. Marvell is a semiconductor company that designs, manufactures, and markets a broad range of integrated circuits and software for networking, cloud, enterprise, automotive, and storage industries. The company has been on a tear in recent years, with its stock price more than doubling in the past year alone. Marvell is well positioned to benefit from the growing demand for semiconductors. The global semiconductor market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 8.6% from the year 2022 to 2027. Marvell is a major player in this market and is well positioned to capture a significant share of this growth if things continue how they've been going. Marvell's products are used in a wide range of applications, including data centers, networking, and storage. While Nvidia remains the dominant force in the AI chip market today, the landscape is evolving rapidly. And that's one of the reasons why Marvell takes my last spot on this list. Now, there is a company which I haven't had a chance to mention that I would still like to, which is PaloAlto Networks. It's a leading cybersecurity firm which reported impressive fiscal third quarter earnings that surpassed expectations. During their earnings call, management discussed their view on how generative AI will transform cybersecurity. With AI models requiring vast amounts of data, PaloAlto's cloud platform positions them to potentially capture some of the increased data demand from these AI-powered solutions. So that's an interesting one that I also wanted to shout out. Now, a couple of things that I want to mention before I head off. Many of these businesses are not solely AI companies. Almost all of the above businesses that I've mentioned either have existing revenue models or are significantly positioned in other industries that aren't purely AI focused. This means that if you're looking for pure AI exposure, these businesses may not fit your needs from an investment perspective. But due to their large market capitalizations and thus available resources, it's hard to argue against their dominance or potential dominance in the AI sector. This video is intended to give you an idea of the current AI landscape, but is in no way, shape, or form a buy recommendation for any of the aforementioned companies' stocks. You have to make your own investing decisions based on your own personal goals. Today, I just wanted to lay the land in terms of the companies that are involved in the AI space. If you found this video helpful and you enjoy this type of content, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more AI content. This Sunday, I'll be releasing the ultimate guide, which details how to use ChatGPT to research and find crypto gems. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you have that notification bell turned on so you don't miss it. I'll see you in that video, and until then, peace out.